can't reach it.
I want to get out of here.
Is there a joke I missed?
Take it.
Gonna pass out. Please.
Come on.
Turn the car off.
Come in behind me.
I can't breathe.
Help me.
We're gonna die. I can't breathe.
I can't breathe. She's crying.
I can throw up.
Oh, that hurt so bad. Oh, Dad, what are you doing? Get me out of here. Oh.
Let's just go through the drive-thru and sit in there and eat.
Oh, he probably thought we were crazy.
Oh my God.
Wait, does he?
Together.
Wait, is this where I went
Go
tumbling?
over there. Huh? What? Huh?
Is that where I went tumbling when I was little?
Oh, maybe.
Oh my gosh.
That's it.
Yeah, Superstars.
Stop
Oh,
it.
that was. Oh, God.
I didn't want his window.
Yeah, go park over the Superstars there, Dad. To the right.
Stop it.
Worse than my day. Was that funny with the day of my senior pictures? Oh, that hurt.
You don't know, honey.
I
She literally
seriously
started
was
crying.
blacking out there for a second.
Why?
She was laughing so
Because I
hard.
was trying to hold it together while he was still there.
Why were you trying? I don't understand that.
Where are you going?
All right.
Yeah, what are we doing here, Dad?
Pull somewhere in.
What are they building here?
Wait, turn.
I will.
Oh, God, that hurt.
Here.
I'm the same as his grandma. I don't know what the joke was.
Oh, no.
I'm so glad I recorded that.
Oh.
I literally recorded that.
No fucking idiots.
We're at the
What are we doing?
What are you trying to do here, Dad? Turned around for what? She's parking here.
Yay!
He got a McChicken.
Come on, childcare. Send me in there.
God.
Send me in. For the childcare.
Oh, Alexis.
I'm watching that again.
I need to unbuckle to get some space.
Here.
What were we laughing about?
Put those baby in that.
I was laughing because you guys were laughing so hard.
Where do...
Here.
I can't.
Oh, here. Down there.
Oh.
Up there. Oh, God.
The original.
Where's the...
Spilled it all over the place. Here.
Where's the...
It might be a diet one. I made it up. I
don't
pushed
even
my
know
other
what drink I
diet.
got.
Does anyone
This
push
is a
that?
diet.
Yeah, that's yours. This is Caden's.
Well, I don't know where you think he's gonna put it.
I'll bend over. I'll show you. Here.
Of course.
Give that to
I
him.
said that.
I don't know.
I can't.
Reginald handled this. Why can't you?
Yeah. Good, did a good job.
I'm over trying to stop. No!
Is that what was so funny?
I don't know. It was just that, and then
Get it.
Grandpa was rolling down his window.
Here, 'cause, like, why would
That's what started me laughing was them fighting over
And he
the
was
window.
like, stop it! Grandpa was like, stop it!
And the dad was pointing. I can't wait. He's not paying attention.
Not again!
When he was over here, Grandma was laughing because he probably thought she was
He
crazy.
probably did. Apparently.
I was trying to stop her from laughing because the man probably thought she was insane.
Oh,
Yes. Oh,
Nick, here.
that hurt. I literally was blacked out there for a second.
No! I felt like I couldn't breathe for a whole 2
I honestly was
seconds.
laughing because you guys were
Keep in
laughing.
touch.
Here, if you're gonna use this, stick it in there.
And Grandpa was just...
I gotta text John, let him know we got it.
Oh,
Where's the straws?
I don't know how I'm doing this.
where's the straws?
Do we not have
You
straws?
didn't ask for them.
You didn't ask for them.
Straws are in here.
You had to order straws.
You have to order the straws. That makes no sense.
You have to order salt.
The straws are like 1 cent each.
$10 each.
Well,
$10 each for a straw!
All that died, but
Can I have a quarter pounder of cheese?
There's,
Is that it? Is that your sandwich, honey?
I don't know.
I hope not, because it's got lettuce on it. It must be next.
Grandpa didn't get his.
where's my nuggets?
Is that yours?
Nowhere.
Yep. Nuggets.
Nugget.
Lee, next.
Oh!
What's happening?
Quarter pound of cheese.
It's the only other one we got.
Okay.
And is there an extra? Is this an extra straw?
Yeah, because I won't use it.
Quarter pound.
Oh, you
I
won't?
got it for you.
Wait,
Yeah, still waiting on his quarter pound cheese.
what? You didn't get it? Please tell me you didn't. That would be hilarious.
Yeah, I got it for Brian. Quarter pound cheese.
No!
We had to go back.
Is it barbecue sauce?
Thanks for the napkin!
Here.
Did he get napkins too?
You got napkins?
They're all in my hand.
Mmm.
Oh, you got one.
Oh, shit. That was bad.
There's 3 more barbecue sauces in here. How many do you want?
Just leave them in there and I'll take them up to the apartment.
I honestly feel bad for that guy. He had to deal with us.
We were fine.
Yeah!
He didn't know we were laughing. I didn't even look at him once. I couldn't tell you what he looked like.
He had a mask on, dude.
Are you able to eat?